And now let's move onto our billboards and announcements. To give us more insights about the Happy Barangay Project of Rotary International District 3830, we have here the chairman of this project, past President Kaloy Iturzaita of District 3830. Good evening, Mr. Pipi. Kaloy.
Good evening.
Good
evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat at sa milyon-milyon ninyong viewers all over the world. I understand na naka-live stream tayo
of course.
sa UNTV Global. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat at naway makapulot kayo ng magandang mga insights sa aming didiscuss tonight.
Yeah, especially sa proyektong i-discuss na rin yung distrito
Especially
ngayon.
sa Happy Barangay Project.
Anyway, let's go direct to the
Sige.
topic. Yung vision proyektong ito, Pipi Kaloy, paano ba ito nagsimula? Can you briefly tell us about it?
Actually, it started last year when we were in Lisbon for the Rotary International Convention. And there is a booth called Happy Village, Happy India.
Okay.
Sabi namin, Gob, Lito Colonna, pwede natin gawin ito sa term mo next year. So yun, doon nagsimula yun.
Pwedeng i-apply sa atin sa
Pwede
Pilipinas.
apply sa Pilipinas.
Okay.
No?
Okay. Napakaganda.
Yun ang storya
natutunan
nun.
nila. So, paano naman yung funding ng project na to?
Well, actually, alam naman ninyo, dahil Rotarians tayo, lahat ng club meron kanya-kanyang pondo. And we are able to raise money, not only from our members, but also from other donors and other partners. Ngayon, ang district grant ng District 3830, ibibigay yung 30,000 each to a club who can identify a adapted community. Actually, yung Happy Barangay, barangay lang ang tawag natin. Pero when you talk about barangay, we talk about sitio, purok, community,
okay.
or even 3 streets.
So not necessarily strictly barangay.
Correct. Not
Okay.
strictly barangay.
Okay.
Hindi. Sino magbibigay ng barangay each club? Kasi parang sinabi niya, parang each club daw sa district nila, may naka-assign na barangay, right?
Yan, okay.
Sino mag-a-assign?
Oo, saan magagaling yung list ng barangay? Or ano ba, let's say, ako yung club ko ba mamimili? Or meron
Meron ba kayong
Okay.
meron ba kayong
Yes.
Ang District 3830, binubuo ng Makati, Parañaque, Las Piñas, Muntinlupa, Pateros, Taguig, and Palawan. In fact, ngayong gabing ito,
Malayo.
ngayong araw na to, I was supposed to be in Palawan for the joint induction of the Puerto Princesa clubs and Nara clubs tonight, hanggang bukas. Itong clubs namin ay 87 lahat. Some of them have already community services in this territorial jurisdiction of the district. Yung iba, nasa Samar, nasa Leyte, nasa
Okay.
Mindanao. So we want them to put all their energies, resources in the particular adapted community in our district jurisdiction.
Okay.
Para pagkatapos sa isang taon and probably for the next 2 or 3 years, makikita natin that we made a difference in the lives of the people in District 3830.
Okay,
Ganun.
Pipi Kaloy, can you tell us the goal and objectives ng proyekto niyo ito?
Okay, ang objective nito is actually to have a holistic approach in community service. Kasi nga, alam naman natin, of course, pag merong pangangailangan ang isang teritoryo, kunwari, Yolanda, earthquake sa Bohol, tumutulong tayo dyan. Regardless or where we are. Actually, there are 10 districts in the Philippines, and all the districts, nagbibigay na suporta yan kung saan kailangan. However, pag under normal times and condition, you belong to a territorial district. So gusto namin, holistic approach, lahat ng time, talent, and treasure ng club mapunta doon sa territorial jurisdiction. Para pagkatapos ng 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, masasabi namin, we made the difference in the lives of the people in the district. Yan.
Tatanong ko lang sa kanya, paano ba yung project na to? Ilang recipient ba to?
Ayun.
Meron ba kayong
Ganda yan.
Particular.
Oo, maximum ba or minimum
Okay.
recipient sa project na to?
Doon sa mga adapted communities na yan, sitio, purok, barangay, or 3 kalsada, ang funding niyan, okay, manggagaling sa club, manggagaling sa district, yung district grant na 30,000 each. Itong komunidad na i-adapt mo na to, ibubuhos mo lahat ng serbisyo mo doon. Like for example, tayo sa Rotary ngayon, meron tayong tinatawag na 6 areas of focus.
Yes.
Yung peace and conflict resolution, disease prevention, maternal care and child care,
Water.
literacy education, water and sanitation, and economic and community livelihood program. So lahat ng gusto nating tulong, idadaan natin ito dun sa adapted community natin. Para at the end of a 12-month period, meron ng resulta, makikita natin kung may nangyari sa mga buhay nila, then we can say, we made the lives of the people happy. We are happy because we were able to
Yes.
serve, and
So there it
everybody
is.
happy.
Happy Barangay.
Kaya happy barangay.
Sino ang mga partners nyo sa project na to?
Actually, ang mga partners natin dito ay it could be the barangay, LGU, it could be NGOs, it could be other districts, it could be other
Okay.
clubs.
Typically, are there certain criteria for a barangay or a purok or a community to qualify? Meron ba?
Oh yes,
Do you
unang-una,
apply, and if there is, do you apply it strictly?
Okay.
Pwede magkaroon ng choice ng club?
yes. Okay, unang-una, kailangan nasa territorial jurisdiction. Pangalawa, kailangan binubuo ng minimum na individuals, parents and children, 400. You can go as high as 1,000, 2,000, depende sa size ng club and depende sa resources ng club, no? Kung ano lang ang kaya mong gawin. So, yun ang pinaka-basic criteria within that territorial jurisdiction. Kung meron man, hindi dapat malayo-layo, no? Dapat malapit.
Anyway, medyo kapos
Marami
ang ating
tayong
oras. Maraming
na-
salamat, Past President Kaloy Iturzaita of District 3830.
Thank you.
Aaron?
Sige, bumati sa dali.
Yes, of course.
Binabati ko si Governor Angelito Colona and his district team who are now in Palawan. Mag-enjoy kayo, magsaya kayo at bumalik kayo na buong buo.
Congrats.
Thank you, Pipi Cal-